Hi guys, here's your lesson. So last week you guys did rounding fractions. Put the date. So really quick, just rounding fractions. I reminded you that to use your benchmarks, it will help you understanding where a fraction belongs. So I'm just going to write quickly the benchmarks of the fractions. So if I was to have 2 6s, okay, so kind of think about, if you want, you can even simplify this. I didn't see that, but you can simplify. So you're looking at this fraction. Where on the fraction, where on the number line would that be? So that 1/3 would probably be about here if I was to break it apart into 3 parts. Oops, sorry, that's 4 parts. So that 1/3 would probably be 1/3. So this is 1, 2, 3 parts. So that 1/3 would be about right here. So it would be closer to that, to 0. So it would be about 0. Okay, so if we have also, say, 5/10, well, obviously we simplify that. That would be 1/2. So that 1/2 would be about, stays at 1/2. Okay, now if our fraction was, say, 9/10, this fraction is almost close to 10/10, right? So then this would be 1. Okay, so that is rounding fractions. So I'm going to just do a quick review, and your homework or your assignment will be subtracting fractions with like denominators. So it's going to be add and subtract like denominators. So just remember, every time you add or subtract fractions, you must always have the same denominator, or what we call like fractions. And that just means have the same denominator. So for example, if I was to have a fraction of 5/6 plus 5/6, look at your denominator. Are they the same? Yes. So that denominator stays the same, and we just add the top. What is 5 plus 5? 10. Oh, my numerator is larger, so I need to simplify. How many 6s fit in 10? 1 6 with 4 left over, correct? But I can simplify that, so my fractions would be 1 2/3. This would be my answer. Okay, simple fraction. If I was to do 1/6 plus 4 6s, denominator is the same? Yes. 1 plus 4, 5. My answer is 5/6. Now, if you were to do subtraction, same thing with subtraction. Okay, so let's do 7/10 minus 3/10. Denominator the same? Yes. So I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 3, 4/10. Is this my final fraction? No, because I can simplify. So I can divide both by 2, right? Because I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So 4 divided 2 would be 2. 10 divided 2 would be 5. My final answer is 2/5. Remember to simplify your fractions, okay? Because I am looking now for your fractions to be simplified. Let's do a few more. Let's do 9/12 minus 3/12. Now remember, you can always pause the video. Pause is your friend. So if you want to see something else, pause it and go back a bit, or just pause it and look at the notes and then play. So denominator is the same. Yes, keep your denominator. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 over 12. Is that my final fraction? Nope. I can simplify, right? I know that I can divide this by 2 and this by 2. 6 divided 2 would be 3. 12 divided 2 would be 6. Oh, I can still divide, right? Divide by 3. Divide by 3. 1/3. So my final answer is 1/3. So that's what we're doing for your assignment. It's just add and subtract like fractions. You've already done the addition one, so you're going to be getting the subtraction one. And remember, go back to the videos if you don't understand it.